Hey man, we got Club Car DS here. I'm going to show you how to test the potentiometer or the M core. What you want to do is put your voltmeter on ohms, this right here. And this is testing your M core on the as far as the pot side or potentiometer side. And what it should do when you hit the gas, I got the harness unplugged. And this here is your white and yellow wire. Like this here, when you hit the gas, I'm hitting the gas now. I'm gonna get a little read on my meter. Always take your meter, do this here, make sure it zeroes out. Red lead in the yellow, black lead in the white. And when I hit the gas, it should be 5 to 0. And you can see I'm getting 3. As I let up with the gas pedal, I'm all the way down now. I should get 0 ohms, and instead I get 1.3, so I'm not getting full pedal. And all the way at the top, I'm only getting 3.2, so the potentiometer is bad. Just replace it, man. Appreciate it.